Hi there, welcome to our channel. So you might have heard about the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2021. It's been leaked before and was also spotted on the Amazon's US site. But the e-commerce site renders were very different from the ones leaked by the popular tipster Steve aka @OnLeaks. Yes, tipster Steve has shared new renders and some specifications of the new Moto G Stylus on voice. According to him, the phone will sport a flat display with a hole punch cutout on the top left corner, similar to last year's model. The phone appears to have a slight chin and a thin forehead as well. At the back, the new renders of the Moto G Stylus shows a quad camera setup enclosed within a large rectangular housing, which is different from what the renders on the Amazon US site has suggested. There's also a rear fingerprint sensor below the Motorola logo at the back. So to sum it up, the design is pretty much similar to 2020 model, except for rear camera setup and the dimensions. Yeah, the dimensions have changed and that tells us it will get a larger display. OnLeaks tips that the phone may feature a large 6.8-inch panel. And you know what? It's similar to LG Stylo 7, which is another phone with stylus and falls in the same category. If you want to know more about Stylo 7, click on the card. About cameras, the new leak suggests there's going to be a quad camera setup at the back of the Moto G Stylus with a 48-megapixel main sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, 2-megapixel depth sensor and a 5-megapixel macro lens. Up front, the phone is tipped to include a 16-megapixel selfie sensor. Lastly, the Moto G Stylus is expected to have a 3.5mm audio jack. The Amazon listing claims it will have a 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, Android 10 OS and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 SoC. That's pretty much everything we know so far about the Moto G Stylus 2021. So that's it for now. For more such videos, do subscribe and thank you for watching. Peace out.